What's up, guys? Now I'm back in Labo number 10. Let's start this. And what are we doing? Tutorial, okay? Let's build our own. Okay. We only have this. Oh. These two are the opposite colors. But I like white trains. Blue, grey, black, anything. But okay. This thing or this thing. Get that out of it. Nah, I'm just kidding this. Because I already used this one for a freight train. Let's go! Let's go to here. Bam! Yellow, 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 lalo, lalo, lalo. Yellow, lalo, 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 lalo. Yellow, lalo, 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 lalo. Lalo, 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 lalo. Yellow, 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 yellow. You, yellow, you. Okay, fine. Pineapple, 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 pineapple. Boom! That's a hump. That's a hump. This too big. This is also. Ooh, we should use this next time. This thing too big. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, it's the same nose as that. These two are the same nose. Look at that. So we can make our custom train just like this one. Wait, can I put it on the... Wait, we should make a crane. Wait. Am I a genius? What? This? Nope. This? Too long. Nope. Simply let's pull that up and put this there. Now we should grab the dish. There's a water drop on the screen, but you cannot see it. But I can't. Okay, now let's make the crane. Crane. Okay, black. Because every crane is, if it's white, then it's white and black. If it's black, then it's a nay. I'm not gonna say it, but you already know what I was about to say. I know you guys, okay? So don't tell anybody that I said that. Okay, this won't. This, yes. That's my calming down voice. Yep. There's a door. Easily. Bam! Yes. He actually gets a normal one. And this also. Is this one. Hatate, patate, katate, hatate, latate. Okay, put that boom there. Boom there. Wee. Boom there. Boom there. Let's add an extra wheel for support. The middle. Yeah. Now I like it. It's going to work train soon. It just looks like. What is it? Let's pull out the crane. Here it is. Today, this is going to be a big one. What the fuck? Fun? What the fuck? Clap. Yep, I'm not gonna say it. 2 cranes. No. 1 crane. No, 2. Yeah, I said no 2. But yes 2. No. Yo. Bro, what is this? Normal weights. Okay. Little bit bigger. It barely fits. Okay. Myong. Boom. Picks up brick. Brick. Nyom. Let's put something there. A rope. No. Let's just put leather here. Okay. So I don't know what the crane is for now. Yeah, I completely forgot. Well, I didn't forget this. This was my best friend. Of course, I wouldn't forget him. 1. Boom. Now another one here. Boom. That's done. Now, let's see if there any more. Oh. I don't even need to shrink that down. There's another one here. And a short one here. Short. Just go. Yeah. Boom! That's done. You cannot even see the white anymore. What? You cannot even see the yellow stripe. And I was about to do that. I have to do something. No, not that. Beep pop. Some engineer. Oh, a minigun. Okay, this. Meow, 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 meow. Let's see. Anything. This. Oh, country flags. Ooh. Ta-na-na-na. Yeah. India is my country. But I still speak American English. Then you radio telephone. High voltage. Yes. Caution. A little small Indian flag. Caution. Read this and say, type this in the comment so I can know what it spells. I know it, but still, guys, still, please. Yep, safety first. Yeah. The Okay, no more sound. Oh, get down. Get down. Oh, bam. Okay, let's do this. Bam. There's two signs about safety and caution. And this will not be visible. Let's not do that. LR train, LN train. White, so no. Ta-na-na-na. Pangkal. But then the train broke down. Num num num. Num num. Num num. But then this train broke down. And this is the one that's holding this up. No. Not good enough. What is this? Oh yes, I remember. Thomas. Yep. Amtrak. No. Exact. Kinda no. And kinda yes. Okay, I need the what? Oh, Vande Bharat. I need a how? What do you say? This pen card. This thing is pulling that. Okay, this train is actually driving this part. The train in the back is stationary. Yay! Let's go! Pew, 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 pew. then this is minute. This is secondary minute. That is secondary minute. If that imagine that train. That would be crazy. Imagine this is going down a high-speed train. Oh, that would be funny. There's a number of the video is a lot that I'm gonna say. So that's gonna wrap up for today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.